Hi everybody, welcome to Technology Adda. In this video, I am going to explain about what is a computer network and what are the different types of computer networks are there. At the same time, I want to describe the advantages and disadvantages of computer networks. To get a full clarity on this topic, watch this video till end. If you like this video, subscribe my channel Technology Adda, like it and share this video to your friends. Now we have to see the computer network. Here computer network is a group of computers are interconnected by each other to share their data, resource and application. Simple. If you want to share data or resource to others, then we have to connect the entire computers to do it. So this is a computer network. Now here data. So data, it means it is a piece of information or it is a raw material which we don't understand. That is data. Here we have to see resource. Resource, it means a device. That may be a printer, that may be a scanner, that may be any device that we have to share in network. So here application, it means simply we can say it is a software or it is a computer program. It can do a particular task. So for example, here we have Adobe Photoshop, Adobe PageMaker, MS Office. So these things, these are application softwares which can do the particular task in computer. So here the application software also we can share in the network. These computer networks are classified into 4 types based on the geographical area. Here which are 4 types. The first one is PAN, personal area network. The second one is LAN, local area network. The third one is MAN, metropolitan area network. Fourth one is WAN, wide area network. Now we have to discuss each one individually. So what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages are there, we have to see here. First one is PAN. PAN stands for personal area network. It means connecting the personal devices in short distance is called PAN. All these devices are connected within 10 meters range. It means simple, what are the personal devices are there that we have to connect within 10 meter distance, like the mobile phone to the laptop, the printer to the PC, or like this. These entire devices are connected within the range. We have to see in the diagram the PAN. So the PAN, it may be wired or wireless network. Wired PAN, it means the mobile phones connected through USB cable to laptop. It is a wired PAN. So to connect the number of devices through the USB cable, that is wired PAN. And here wireless PAN, it means to two smartphones are connected by Bluetooth is called wireless PAN. It means without wire also. Here Bluetooth is the one of the technology. By using this one, we can connect the number of devices within the 10 meters range. So this is also called a PAN, wireless PAN. Advantages of PAN here. First one is high data transfer rate will be there in PAN and full security will be provided because it is in the short distance. And here disadvantage of PAN is short distance. It means we don't use these devices in large distance. So this is the main disadvantage of PAN. So this is about PAN. The second one is LAN. LAN stands for local area network. It means connecting the number of computers in a room or building to share data is called a LAN. To connect the computers in LAN, we can use different types of cables that are twisted fire cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics cable. Different cables we can use to connect the LAN. In LAN, the data is shared among the authorized users. It means the data will be transferred in between authorized users only, and we can connect the LAN in 1 kilometer range. So the bandwidth of LAN is 10 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. It means bandwidth, it means how much data we can transfer for 1 second. Within 1 second, how much data will be transferred. That is bandwidth. So in LAN, for second we can transfer the 10 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. This is the bandwidth of LAN. The advantages of LAN is high security will be provided to the authorized users, and it has a high speed data transfer rate. These are the advantages, and disadvantages are there, that is short distance. So here within 1 kilometer we can connect the LAN. Out of the 1 kilometer there is no possible to connect the LAN. So here the main comparison between LAN and PAN is, so LAN will cover the more distance compared to PAN. So this is about LAN. The third one is MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It means different LANs are connected within a city or town is called MAN. So in MAN we can connect the different types of LANs within the city. So here to connect this entire LANs we can use again twisted fire cables, coaxial cables, fiber optical cables, and we can connect the MAN within 30 kilometers to 40 kilometers range. It is also the same bandwidth of LAN, that is 10 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. The advantages of MAN is high speed data transfer rate, at the same time high security will be provided and long distance will be covered compared to LAN. This is about MAN. Fourth one is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It means the different computers that are devices or LANs or MANs are connected by different geographical area of countries and continents. So if you want to share your data to the entire world, we have to use WAN. So WAN will be connected the entire countries and continents of the entire world. The main intention, the purpose of WAN is the large business, educational and government organizations connect their different branches in different locations across the world by WAN. The internet is the large WAN that connects the billions of computers, smartphones and millions of LANs from different countries. So to connect the internet, so here we have to use optical fiber cables by ISPs, and we can use satellites also. So anybody they can share data to anyone, we have to use WAN. The advantages of WAN is, so the data transfer rate is based on our bandwidth, our speed, and high security will be there, but we have to maintain firewalls, antivirus softwares, and it will be covered the large distance. It means entire world it will be connected. So this is about WAN. So WAN it means internet. So in next video we have to see the internet, what is the history of internet and why we need World Wide Web, why the World Wide Web is invented. This entire topic will be covered in next video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon on right side for latest notifications. For this content PDF, I provided my website link in description. You can download it from my website. And we post our content regularly on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. To join here, you have to click on links I provided in description. If you like this video, please comment on this video how it will be there.